Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we have another exercise, and that is checking if a number is prime. So a prime number is any natural number greater than 1 that is divisible only by 1 and by itself. So write a program that reads an integer and determines whether it's a prime number or not. So go through this problem, try to solve it in C programming language, and if you are not able to solve the problem, come back to the video and I will solve it for you. Until then, see you! Hello and welcome back, and this is the solution to the prime number problem. I will go through it briefly and will try to introduce you to some concepts in this problem. First, I have gotten the number from the user, and then I have assumed that the number is prime. If this variable is number prime is equal to 1, that means that the number is prime, and this means it's a true value. Usually we would do this with a boolean value, but since we have not studied booleans yet, I have done this using a integer value. And then I have created a divisor. So suppose that our number is 29, which is a prime number. Our divisor will start from 28, which is one number less than 29, 28 in here, and through the while loop it will be decremented each time through the while loop, and it will go until 2, because we have said that divisor should be bigger than 1, so it will go from 28 until 2. And what will happen in this while loop is that the number, which is 29, is divided by the divisor, which starts from 28, and each time the division happens, if the division yields a remainder of 0, that means that number is divisible by divisor, and we say that number is not prime, and we set the value of this variable to 0 and we make it false. So this while loop will happen. First it will be 28, so 29 will be divided by 28 and we will see the remainder, then 27, 26, 25 until 2. And if none of those divisions yielded a remainder of 0, that means that the number is still prime, it's 1. If it did yield a remainder of 0, then the number becomes non-prime and this variable becomes false. And after this while loop we check, is number still prime? 1 means true, which means it's prime. Then we say that the number is prime, and if it was not 1, then it has become 0 and the number is not prime. And that's basically how we solved this problem. Thank you for watching this episode. Stay tuned as we go into more exercises.